Situma, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to make and cook kaimatis. Stay tuned, watch till the end. We first add all of our dry ingredients together. I'm using 1 egg, but eggs are optional. You can use milk or water. Stir until there's no lumps left. I use my hand to feel the texture. Now it's ready. We cover well, prevent the air from penetrating inside. Then we set aside. We set aside 10 to 15 minutes. Now we start preparing our sugar syrup. In Swahili, we call it shira. In our cooking pot, we put 1 cup of sugar. Then we add 1.5 cup of water. Stir on a medium heat to get a thick liquid. Our syrup or shira is ready. We just keep it aside and let it cool. Put a wooden spoon in the oil. When you see bubbles, just know our oil is ready. Now our mixture has doubled in size. I apply the cooking oil on my hands. I just squeeze using my hand and then I cut using a spoon. You can use the ice cream scooping spoon or you can use a kaimati making machine. Keep turning them and make sure you use the medium heat. They are turning brown. That means they're almost ready. When they are fully cooked, just put in a clean tin, in another clean tin. Very nice color. Here we have our kaimatis, and that's our sugar syrup or the shira. You just take some few kaimatis, you add inside. When all the kaimatis have fully soaked the syrup, just put in a clean bowl or a plate. If you still have more kaimatis left, you can put in the remaining syrup and do the same process. Yummy! Now we have our kaimatis, the ones with shira. You can see the kaimatis with shiras and the kaimati without shira or without the syrup. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like and leave a comment.